An ADP Pay Stub is packed with information. Understanding each section helps you answer employee questions and verify your own payroll accuracy. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The stub is divided into key areas: earnings, regular, overtime, bonuses, taxes, federal, state, local withholdings, deductions, health insurance, 401k, garnishments, and net pay. It also shows year-to-date, YTD, totals for all these categories. Look for the pay period dates and the check or deposit number for your records. My crucial pro tip: check the miscellaneous or employer paid section. This often shows the cost of benefits the company pays on the employee's behalf, like the employer portion of health insurance. This is valuable information for employees to see their total compensation, not just their net pay. Empower yourself and your team with understanding. What's the most common question your employees have about their pay stubs? For more guides that build financial literacy, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.